how are you after that foul on Puebla?
Coach nga, bigyan ka na rin ako dun sa question about kay Calvin sa hardball case. Bali ko na malaman ano lang yung naging usapan ninyo ni Calvin during that ball situation.
Well, Calvin is just being Calvin. Ever since, even when we were playing against each other, he's really like that. He's the type of player that, if you get irritated on him, talo ka. Pag napikon ka, talo ka sa kanya. So, wala, ano lang yun, it's just me talking to Calvin, being his kuya also, reminding him to just keep playing. Yun lang. Well, yun lang yun.
Nakausap si Calvin after the game?
Wala siya, nag-walkout din siya eh. Again, Calvin is just being Calvin. Right?